Hi guys, I'm making another video, even though I just made one, still got my Christmas Santa hat on, and today I'm just doing a video about my cute dogs, Voltron and Shimmy. So, Shimmy is right here.
Here, we're going to the store.
Just a sec. Shinja is right here. She's really, really cute. Shimmy, look at me. So, you can call her Shinja or Shimmy. She's really cute. She's looking out the window.
Her name is Japanese for devoted.
Really? Cool. We used to have a dog named Miss Mo, and Shimmy and Miss Mo got along really, really well, but then Miss Mo died. So now we got a dog named Voltron. Hey, Voltron, buddy, look at me. And we actually have Jingle Bell collars, but we couldn't find them. So we're probably going to find them tomorrow. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. So, yeah, please like and subscribe, I say again. See my mom's channel, I say again. Something weird. And good